Monkey.
Teacher.
Oh, so you're him.
That is unbelievable.
Concentrate.
I alone am best. Get him!
Your secret kung fu technique is quite good, but it's not quite good enough to stand up to me.
Your reputation for Kung Fu is well known.
Monkey.
Teacher.
All right, I will teach you Kung Fu.
You have been teaching me Kung Fu for 18 years. Thank you. I'm most grateful. That Kung Fu you've been learning for 18 years won't do you any good now.
I'll teach you the secret kung fu techniques.
I really do appreciate that.
Monkey.
Teacher.
But first, I want to see how tough you are, how much pain you can take.
Monkey.
Teacher.
His Kung Fu is very skillful. Even Uncle Han can't beat him.
From here on in, I'm running this here town. You obey my orders. Do I make myself clear?
Yes, sir. How dare you try to push me around, you punk?
And never raise your voice.
You're a fool. Crossing me. I'll soon show you. You're not gonna leave here alive. Don't you push me too far. I warn you, you shouldn't underestimate me.